Hi, this is Melanie from Hook to the Left, and today I'm going to show you what I picked up from my local yarn shop. So let's go ahead and get started. Hi everybody, thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you're new to my video and you like all things yarn and crochet, like tutorials, reviews, all that fun stuff, hauls, of course, go ahead and go down there, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell so that you're reminded each time I come out with a new video. Today is shop at your local yarn shop day. Really, this day is to show our support to our local yarn shops, which of course with the pandemic have been struggling, and yeah, so it's just a great day to show our support for those yarn shops, to keep them in business so that we can get unique yarns and other products for knitting, crochet, and the like, or looming, whatever, all the yarn arts, the fiber arts, you know. If you haven't been to your local yarn shop yet today, then make sure you get over there and make a point to get over there and just pick up a little something in support of those particular shops today. All right, so let me go ahead and show you what I picked up from my local yarn shop. Now, let's see here. So my local yarn shop is called Silver Threads and Golden Needle. That is my local yarn shop here in Franklin, North Carolina. And it is a cute little shop. I will tell you, they sell mainly high-end yarns. So when I say high-end yarns, these are superwash merino yarns. They're 25. Most of the skeins that they're actually mostly in hanks, and most of them that I saw were between $25 to $30, and some of them were even a little bit higher. They also had some beautiful hook sets. There's this gray kind of resin. I don't know if it's resin or what it is, but it's this gray hook set that was gorgeous. Gorgeous. And it was inline hooks. I remember that. Anyway, let me show you what I got. It was a few things. So I did find this cotton I wanted to check out. It's not as soft as I love this cotton, but it's a lot like you know, the other cottons that you can get. And for some reason, I'm drawing a blank on those cottons. Lily's sugar. I'm drawing a blank on it. I'm sorry guys, but it feels like that kind of cotton. But I did like the way the colorway was working up, kind of like that denim look. So I decided to go ahead and pick that one up. And at my local yarn shop, it was only $3. It's called Mondo Grass. Mondo Grass, that's weird. And it's only $3, and this is made by Universal Yarn. And I believe it is, this one is 1.94 ounces, 55 grams, 96 yards or 88 meters. It is a medium weight yarn. It's 85% recycled cotton and 15% recycled polyester. And they do recommend a 5mm knitting needle and a 5.5mm crochet hook. It is machine wash warm and tumble dry, and again, it's by Universal Yarns. It is called Clean Cotton Multi, and I'll show you that label here, the label. But I did like kind of this denim look on this particular yarn. Okay, and then the other yarn that I got, now this was a $15 skein. And gosh, it is so super soft and squishy. But it's called Marble Chunky by James C. Brett, and it is machine washable. It is 200 grams, which I'm going to show you all of it here in a minute. It's 200 grams. And it's probably a 5 weight. It's harder for me to see, but they did call it a chunky, so I would suspect it's a 5 weight. But here is the yarn. Look how pretty this is. And I'm thinking that this could make a good hat. And as far as the yards go, it is 341 yards or 312 meters. So it's a good size to make a hat from, or a scarf. I think it'll make the feeling of it's nice and squishy, but it's not super soft. So I don't know that I would want it around my neck, but I think it would make a super, super beautiful hat with a nice palm. I think that would be awesome. But yes, this is such squishy yarn, and you know I love bulky yarn. So yeah, this is gonna go to a project for me. And then of course the last thing I got was a couple of hooks. Now we've been talking about in our in the Yarn Hookers Facebook group, the challenge for this month is to make something Tunisian crochet. So I decided, okay, I'm gonna pick up a couple hooks. And now this was inside a bag, but I took it out of it. I went and bought these hooks out of ignorance because I've never done Tunisian crochet. And then we had this interview with Ben, and come to find out, I probably should have gotten bigger ones. So what I'm doing today after my live is I'm actually gonna run up to, so I can support Little Yarn Shop, or Local Yarn Shop Day. I am going to go back up there and see if I can't find a Tunisian hook in 9mm, which is what is recommended, what he recommends for for size 4 or medium weight yarn. But I got this Afghan hook here, which this one is 4.5mm, and then I got this Afghan hook here, or Tunisian hook here, and this is in a 5mm. So I need to go back, get a 9mm. But that is what I picked up from my local yarn shop. What did you pick up from your local yarn shop? I hope that you found some great, awesome stuff. Go ahead and tell me what it is down below. I can't wait to hear it. And I want to say thank you so much for joining me today. I appreciate each and every one of you. You guys have an amazing day. Bye-bye.